This is a unique product that I found on Amazon. Actually, whenever we open some pack or packet of biscuits or any other eatables, then if sometimes it happens that we don't have an extra box, all the boxes are full. So what do we do with the, you know, the pack that is half open? Like I'll show you this one. Like this namkeen pack is already open. This product is really useful. You can like these clips are available in the pack, and you can simply fold your packet and simply clip the this clip here. Easily you can do it, and it can be protected from moisture and dust and everything for some time. Maybe in one day it will be consumed, in next day it will be consumed. So for such a small time, if you want to just keep it protected from, you know, fleas and other insects in your home, so you might like to use this. This is very useful. This is very simple, and but it is very useful. So I really like this one. And in the packet you will get like this. There are many clips of different sizes. Like this is the bigger one, and you will get smaller sizes also, like this. This is a smaller size, and so you have 3 different sizes that you get in this pack. And this is really a really good product that I discovered on Amazon, and I wanted to share with you. So guys, go for it.